everybody, and welcome back to day 6 of the Siobhan's Craft Advent Calendar. So we're flying through these, can't believe we're on the 6th already, but I'm going straight in, I'm not hanging about. Oop, there we go. Oh, so I'll show you the name on this one is Peacock Ore, and look at the colours in this one. It's so beautiful. Let me just move those a little bit out of the way. There we go. So the colours are obviously really bright, but also quite deep, if that makes sense. Blues, the tones in this yarn are beautiful. And then you've got these lovely purples running through as well. Here we go. So that is the Peacock Ore, which is gorgeous. Love it. So let's have a little look at all the ones we've had so far. So we've got 6 there now. We've almost completed our first week. But that is it for today, and I will see you again tomorrow.